What's up, Cloud Life? I'm going to make a quick update video according to yesterday's analysis. I want to give you guys so looking at XRP, it's very crucial where we're at now. Uh, some of you guys that don't know, I use the Ichimoku system. It's very different from most analysts out there. Gauges the trend and also gauges the overall direction of the market. So right now, here's two things I'm noticing on the weekly time frame. We have span A and B are both flat, which is saying that there's no real trend here, that the market's just ranging here. So we're ranging between 78 cents and this low here at 21 cents. So we could definitely see something like this on the weekly time frame, but it's not confirmed yet. It's just something that we need to just consider. But the reason why I'm saying this right now, we still need to get above this 78-cent level, this 80-cent level, and I will show you guys on a smaller time frame why it's very crucial that we get it, above these levels here. So coming to the daily time frame, this is probably what could potentially happen. This N wave to the upside. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, just saying that this is a possibility that we can get to this range. But the reason why we're at a crucial level right here, this level here, in this current level that we're at, going to the 4-hour time frame and looking at this daily time frame, I do see that the market is trying to push to the upside. Chiku spans above price. Span A is starting to angle up. B is flat. Another thing here, we have a golden cross here above the cloud, which is a strong bullish indication. So we can definitely move higher to this price here at 78 cents and 80 cents. But that being said, that's take that as a grain of salt. We still have to get above this 64-cent level, 63, 64-cent zone. Looking here at the 4-hour time frame, let's go ahead and do that. Try to get through this as quick as possible. So yes, here we're currently sitting at this zone right in here between these two black lines. This is where I see price struggling a little bit. As you see, it's already slowing down. Market is momentum start to flatten out here. So this is something that I'm starting to notice, that A is starting to flatten out and B is also starting to flatten out, which is saying that the market is going to probably flatten out right here, probably come back for a pullback down to 61 cents. But we need to look at it even further. So let's go down to the 15-minute and 5-minute time frames. Let's see. Let's go to the 15 first. 15. Yes, you see here it's already starting to flatten out. And then let's go to the 5. Let's see what's going on here. So the 5-minute time frame is also starting to get weak here as well. And this was yesterday's update. I had the market going up from here. So if you guys watched the last video from yesterday, the price went up. I did say 75 cents was the target that I was looking at, but I didn't realize that we are looking at resistance at 63 to 64 zone. So right now, I'm going to say that the market's going to range. We're going to see what happens here. Looking here on the ADX, we see that the bears are starting to get back into the market right here. So, and it's saying that the momentum's strong because it's above the 20 level. So we will see what happens here on the 5-minute. Let's see if we get that pullback. I think we'll get a pullback, probably back down to maybe the 60, 61 cent level. So we'll see. But for now, I'm going to say the market's going to range for a while in this area to see if we could break that 64-cent level. That being said, God bless you guys. Stay tuned for the next update, and peace, Cloud Life. God bless.